My name's Stacy and this is Chino. We're the Green family. Join us as we live our daydream, raising children from the sailboat that we call home.
And I've been thinking about you.
Under your pillow.
That's okay.
Oh, it's a ladyfish.
Ready, Daddy? Honey! Lola, here's my karate chopping hat. Lola, here's my karate chopping hat. Go! That was another 10 pointer, bro. What? That was another 10. Yay! Show! Okay, now you're moving on to the next challenge.
It's our last night out on anchor, and every every time that we're done and we're ready to go back to the marina, it's a little bit sad. The kids like it. It's exciting for them. They get more play dates and stuff that way, and they're closer to family and friends. But for me, I would rather be on the hook all the time. We would stay a couple more weeks, but with all our engine stuff going on and our electronics were giving us a hard time, so we really need to go and get that looked at. And we just have so many other projects going on. Coming out of the yard and being straight onto the hook was a little bit harder than leaving well prepared. So although we feel like we had a great time, we definitely didn't get as far as we wanted. We really wanted to go down to the Keys this month, but we decided we're just gonna head back and stay at Harborage, the marina we stay at. We're gonna stay there for just a few months while we get stuff situated, and then from there we're definitely heading to the Keys, maybe the Bahamas. Depends. Our youngest, we're still waiting on her passport because we had her at home and I never got her birth certificate. But I finally did it. It's all in, ready to go. We're just kind of waiting on that. And we'll just see how everything's going and we'll go to the Bahamas. But for now, we are on our last night on the hook at the STUART sandbar.
We're going to Harborage.
And I'm gonna really miss it. I like it. It's so peaceful.